welcome back to my channel. This is your Holistic Honey, and I'm here to encourage you to live, eat, and be your best self in mind, body, and spirit. Today I'm back with a new juicing video, and today, honestly y'all, I'm just cleaning out my fridge. We went to Costco, we got a whole bunch of produce, and so now I'm just finishing up juicing everything. I still have a little bit left. I have 4 oranges and 5 blood oranges left, so next week's video is going to be having some juices with blood oranges. But for this video, I have 2 green juices and a blood orange drink, which was actually surprisingly very good. And I just love the color. Like, I feel like blood orange is like my new kind of fruit obsession. Like, the color is just amazing, and it's like a nice tartness but also kind of sweetness, and the way you can sweeten it with pineapple and ginger and all, it's good. I'm gonna just say it's good. So I have 3 juices for y'all today, and I think that's all I have to say. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining this journey of holistic wellness. I hope that this video and my 30 days of juicing inspires y'all to just eat an extra vegetable or an extra fruit, drink some more water, something that makes your body happy, because I feel really good on this juice cleanse. Even though I'm not juicing like the full day, just having 1 juice a day has done wonders to me. I feel like how I was feeling last week versus how I'm feeling this week is a complete change. I'm definitely thankful for it, and I want to see how I feel at the end of these 30 days, so I'm excited. So before we start this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into it. So these are all the ingredients that I will be using for these juices. First up, we have the sweet mint. So first up, we have cucumber. Originally, I thought 1 cucumber would be enough, but as you see towards the end, it in fact was not. Cucumber is great for weight loss, just debloating, and so is pineapple, which I used half of for this juice. And yeah, pineapple is just really good with debloating as well. It detoxifies and it'll just get you snatched up. Have some mint leaves, ginger, and the mint leaves just had it just tasting like a sweet mint. Like, it's almost like a mocktail. That's what it kind of tasted like, because I could see this with like some tequila or something. Not to give y'all any ideas, but and so this is how the first juice turned out. It was quite delicious. I loved the mint and cucumber combo with the sweetness of the pineapple. Ciao. And this is the other half of the cucumber, because as you saw, she was not full to the top, so we had to go back and get it together. But there we are, and now I'm going to put the top one and get that out the way so we can move on to green apple. And it's essentially just cucumber, lemon, and apple juice. Yeah, we're gonna keep it real simple. Because I needed to get rid of this lemon. I needed to finish. I had 1.5 cucumbers left to juice, and then my apple juice from my other video, still whittling down with that. So I want to get rid of as much apple juice as I could. I'm almost done. I think I'm just gonna drink some apple juice, like as straight apple juice, to get rid of it. But yeah, use that Trader Joe's apple juice, unfiltered. So that's just a lazy way to use apple juice, because I don't have any apples. So there you have it, my 2 green juices. They were so good. I think that the green mint was my favorite, to be honest, but the other one's not bad either. Now we have bloody orange juice. We have 5 blood oranges. We have 2 card oranges, and then we have our good sis ginger. And these are very simple juices that I'm making this week. I just want to keep it simple. I wanted to just clear my fridge, so I want to do another round of like a good produce haul. So I was like, let me just see what I got, make some. I'm doing the best I can with what I got. No Mariah Carey. But yes, of course, with all of these oranges, nothing but good vitamin C, folate, potassium, helps with inflammation. You know, we are coming out of cold season, moving right along to allergy season, so keeping my immune system up. It improves heart health, high in antioxidants. The list literally goes on. Ginger helps with debloating and digestion, which I love personally. Anti-inflammatory. It is detoxifying. So this is like a win-win. And this is also a cute little mocktail, you know, but you can also, if you wanted to do like a mimosa situation, I feel like this would be like a bougie mimosa situation if that is your business. But I'm trying to promote, you know, wellness on this channel. I am not here to judge anybody, and wherever you are on your wellness journey, I'm just glad that you decided to be here on today. So that's my 2 cents. Do what you do. This is that beautiful drink, and we're done. All right, well, those are the 3 juices, and I hope they look tasty to y'all. I hope y'all want to try at least one of them out. And honestly, you can never go wrong with a good juice with pineapple in it. You can never go wrong with a good juice with cucumber in it. So I don't know what else to say. These juices were really, really good. And I hope to continue to juice some more, and I hope that y'all will join me. And so that's all I have for y'all. Next week I am coming back with another juicing video, so be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so y'all know when my video goes live next Tuesday at 9 a.m. We are on that schedule. We are staying consistent. And I hope that y'all enjoy the rest of your day, whatever time of day it is, whatever you're going through. I hope that you find some joy and something brings joy into your life. And if you can't think of anything, look for it. It'll come to you. Thank you for joining me on this holistic wellness journey, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.